got an ASPIRE E15 with a cracked screen, and it's got a model number that's conveniently located right here on the sticker. So I used that and found a replacement screen on laptopscreen.com. It came very quickly, it was a good price, and I'm going to install it now. From what I can see on the internet, you just reach in here and pull the tabs off. And I am being careful, but I'm not too worried about putting pressure against the existing LCD because it's already cracked. Okay, so that comes up. That was really easy. Okay, and the next step is to remove the screws that are securing the screen. So it looks like there are 4 screws connecting the LCD display. So I'm going to remove the bottom screws first. Just gonna pull the screen forward. I'm gonna use a knife to just lift this tape from the edge here that holds the connector on. You want to preserve the tape because you're going to use it to put the current connector back on the new display. Okay, now I've got the tape up. Make sure I get as much of the tape goo on the strip as I can. And I'm just going to work that out of the socket. It's really quick and easy. And now your old display is out and free to remove. I don't know if the camera picks that up, but the crack's right across there. So the new display still has the plastic protective cover on it, and I'm gonna leave that there for the moment while I put the connector on. You just want to make sure the connector is flush with the display connector on the actual LCD, and then put your tape back down to hold it in place. And then you just put it back up and align it with the actual screw holes and screw it back on. Before I put this back on, I actually should just do a quick test to see if the display works. Oh, that looks great. So I'm just going to snap the bezel back on and be done. Line it up. You can feel out how the fit goes. It's pretty easy. And that's it, done. It's an awesome replacement screen from laptopscreen.com for the Acer ASPIRE E15. Just look up your model number and you'll find your display. They ship it really fast and the quality looks great. Thank you.